Hello and welcome. Today I'll be making one of my favorite Western Nigerian soups known as riro. Yorubas in the house can attest that this soup is easy to prepare and of course delicious. Here's the list of ingredients. Now let's get started. I always start out by seasoning and boiling the assorted meat with some onions, oregano, seasoning powder and some salt, but feel free to season yours the way you like. I also go ahead and blend the peppers and onions and also slice the green vegetables. You can also blanch in hot water to reduce excess liquid. I'll continue by heating up the palm oil until hot. Then I add some chopped onions which I fry for a minute or until I can perceive its sweet aroma. I follow up with some fermented locust beans, locally known as iru, ogri or dawa. I then go ahead and add the ground crayfish and fry for a few seconds. As we go on, you'll notice that the flavors and aroma starts to build up, and you can already tell that this soup has a bright future. Okay, now we're going to add the blended pepper mix, some seasoning and some salt, and we stir and simmer for about 20 minutes. When the soup is simmering, do not go too far away from it because like a jealous lover that needs your attention all the time. So you have to stay close to it to stir it constantly to prevent it from burning. So now it's time to add the pre-cooked stockfish and washed dry fish. I also like to add a bit of Cameroon pepper. I just like the extra heat and flavor it gives to the soup, but feel free to omit it. And now it's time to add the assorted meat. I went further and grilled mine, but feel free to either fry it or leave it boiled as it is. And last but not least, I add the star of the show. Remember that you can blanch the vegetable in hot water if you don't want a lot of liquid in your soup, but I like mine just like this. Just look at this yummy, rich and finger-licking goodness. I already have some amala ready, but you can pair it with any swallow of your choice. Rice, plantain and even yam. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it if you like, subscribe and also give me a shout out in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.